All right, so when you have a dumpster, you want to make sure that you do not fill over the dumpster top of it, right? Because when they pull it out, they need to make sure that they can do what they need to do. Things, rubbish and whatnot doesn't fall out. It's just for safety purposes. I'm not West Georgia dumpsters. All I know is that I'm just following directions, so they would have more reasons in terms of why it doesn't need to go over that. But in any case, what I'm going to do is these two box springs right here. I refuse to take those things out of here. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go ahead and take my my trimmer and just try to cut those things and then just push them into the dumpster, because yeah, at this point this bad boy is filled and I'm not doing any of that. So in any case, stay tuned for the action shots. Talk to you later. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Where are you? Wherever you are, good morning. So my sister, it's very important that you know, my sister. So I mentioned previously that my tenants moved out at the end of January 2025. And by the time I was able to sort through all of the trash and garbage, an entire month had gone by. Here is a quick look at the 25-foot dumpster I ended up getting from West Georgia Dumpsters in February. Can I tell you, they were a huge help. And by the time I finished filling this with all the trash and garbage, I actually had to rent another one just for the renovation and construction materials. Stay tuned for that video. My goodness, so much work, but hey, now I can look back now and reminisce. Hey, peoples. Let me go ahead and undress a little bit so you know who I am. All right, so I probably need to clean that screen off too. All right, so this is the deal. Whenever you get a dumpster, you want to make sure that you're filling it the right way. This is a 25-foot dumpster from West Georgia Dumpsters. Really good pricing, and the dumpsters are clean, affordable, and they get things here in time. Now, like I said, this is a 25-footer, and what I wanted to mention is this, you can already see I have I've already put in items to lean up against the side of the dumpster. Okay, what you want to do when you're filling the dumpster, yeah, you got a lot of stuff, but don't just throw stuff in there. Really maximize your space. This is almost like those days where if you used to work for UPS or FedEx and you had to ship or you were packing crates and whatnot, you got to make sure you're doing it the same way. Okay, the reason why I say that is because my garage has all of this left from my tenants. And yes, West Georgia has said, oh yeah, it's gonna fit just fine. Well, it'll fit fine if you are properly packing your space. Okay, so this gives you another example. And of course I got plastic bags, really good plastic bags too, and that's good. But once again, just make sure that you're packing it so that all of this can fit in this. All right, so with that, I'm signing off for now so I can continue packing this dumpster, and as we go along, I'll make sure that I have videos and pictures, still shots, where you can kind of see the progress that I'm making. So it is what it is. See you soon. Here are a few more stills to check out. Can't believe I accomplished all of this. They always say pictures are worth 1,000 words, and that's what it is, most definitely. All right, time to take a break. Time to take a break. Look at this dent. We've made a dent. Now we can at least see the floor. And it looks like I actually have a leak in there. So I gotta go upstairs and see what that's all about. But in the meantime, this is what we've got. Once again, making sure that I pack from the sides out. It's kind of hard to see right now, but from the side of the dumpster out. So I've built up this part. The refrigerator, one of the refrigerators is all the way back there. And then this side is totally built out. So I'm leaving a space right in the middle for the other pieces of furniture that's in the backyard. And of course, this refrigerator, got to see what's going on with that. We got another one, but that one might actually stay in the garage because you always have to have a refrigerator in the garage. So, but all in all, this is the dent that I've made within a few hours. And at least it's the heavy stuff, because the small stuff you just throw in the trash and you just keep it moving, right? So in any case, this is where we're at, and I'll see you on the inside.
That's a video.
Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and definitely share with a friend, with a friend, with a friend. I may be a little late uploading content, but with the amount of work that I need to accomplish, I think you can understand why. So, all in all, hope you enjoy and see you on the next video.